Hey everyone, thinking about writing an ebook to make some cash? Let's compare two popular AI tools, ChatGPT and Jasper, to see which one's better for creating ebooks. We've got 2 minutes, so let's dive in. First up, ChatGPT. It's made by OpenAI and is super versatile. You type a prompt, like write a chapter about starting a business, and it generates text fast. It's great for brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, or writing full chapters. You can tweak it with specific instruction to match your style. Plus, it's affordable, free for basic use, or $20 a month for the premium version, but you'll need to edit its works to avoid errors and keep the tone consistent. Now Jasper. This AI is built for marketers and writers. It's got templates for ebooks, blog posts, and more, so you don't need to figure out prompts from scratch. Jasper can match your brand's voice and even helps with SEO to make your ebook rank higher online. It's pricier, starting at $39 a month, but it's user-friendly with a Google Docs style editor. Downside, it's less flexible for non-marketing topics. So which is better for ebooks? If you're on a budget and want flexibility, ChatGPT is your pick. It's great for any topic, but you'll need to guide it with clear prompts and edit carefully. If you're focused on selling ebooks and want polished, marketing-ready content with less hassle, Jasper wins. Its templates and brand voice features make it faster for professional ebooks, especially for business or self-help niches. The choice depends on your needs. Want cheap and creative? Go ChatGPT. Need marketing polish and speed? Pick Jasper. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.